back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel just at click.com, and today we are going to talk about, or you can say discuss about, a great model out here. And talking about this model, let us talk about Lenovo's Yoga 720 out here. Yes, Yoga series का एक variant है, Yoga series version out here. Lenovo's Yoga series is really great. Talking about the yoga series, we can say that this was really a cool and an amazing variant out here, having this great version. Uh, Yoga series की खास बात है, there is a speciality of Yoga series that it is a flip and flip designed out here, 360 degrees out there, very affordable and effective portability out there, as well as you can port it everywhere, like you can carry it everywhere you want. Apart from that, you also get to see that they are very sleeky design, thin designed out here, light weighted. So these are the few specifications related to Yoga series. But now let us talk about specifically Yoga 720 out here. Yes, talking about 720, then we can say that it is definitely great portable because it is light version, having a great screen size of 13 inches. So definitely the screen size plays a very important role. 13 inches screen size, and then we can say two in one. Why we say two in one? Because it can be easily converted into a tab. Like you will not be removing the keypad work, but yes, after once fold, it can be converted into a touch type keypad version. Yeah, this could be done. So this is really good variation. As well as this is a very light version. It weighs approximately 1.3 kg. So this is really effortlessly portable gadget. So you can say this is quite portable out here. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, if you talk about this version, then we can say the design is quite elegant and is a versatile design. Why we see so? Because it has got a sleek aluminum finish work in different components or the elements out there, like the platinum, silver, iron, gray, or copper. Well, these are the elements used along with the finishing with aluminium. We can also say that if there was a design competition, then this would have definitely won because of the great designing it has and the style it has, along with 360-degree work. The Yoga series definitely own. Yoga series has what this amazing functionality too. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, we can say that it has got a battery life that is very good. The battery life is quite good out here. We won't say that it is a bad battery life or will last like up to 30 days without charging. No, it definitely gives you a good battery life, work timing or the run timing or these kind of battery backup. These are quite good in this. As well as if we talk about the resolution, because once we own a gadget, if you own a laptop, we love to have the display and the resolution out here. So talking about the resolution, it has got 4K viewing resolution out here, ultra HD view, we can say, ultra high HD we can say, and this is definitely good. So it has got ultra HD screen resolution with 4K resolution at the side of it. Apart from that, you can see that this has got a creative optional Lenovo Active Pen and Windows Ink out there. What does this mean? This means that it has got a stylus pen like Samsung has the stylus S Pen for Note series. It has got an active Lenovo pen with a Windows Ink. Windows Ink is nothing. It has a tip which is working with this Windows out there. So like it can work properly out there. So this is the main purpose of this. Apart from that, if you talk about the display, if we talk about the resolution, we are saying that there is 4K ultra HD display out here, screen out there. Then you get to have Dolby Audio Premium Vision with JBL speakers. So these are also seen in this variant. Along with that, it has got really amazing power backup, like the battery life. But apart from that, you get to have a great storage capacity. And the storage is really important. Storage plays a very important role in every gadget, and when you have got a good storage, it means that the gadget is worth it. Talking about this worth it gadget, it has got a good Windows operating system, that is Windows 10 edition, because operating system need to be advanced with technology. Along with that, USB connectors are quite good in this. Like if you talk about the connectors, we have seen that most of the gadgets have connectors, USB connector 2, 3, PowerPoint connectors, or the input output connectors. But the connectors in it are very good, very minor changes have been done, and because of that, the change in this cat could be seen in a vast difference. Fingerprint security along with Windows Hello system is there. Apart from that, you get to see great graphics part, because graphics plays an important part in every gadget. Why we say so? Because graphics is the main part which gives the output to us, like video output, audio output, or the display output. If you talk about the graphical colorization, you talk about, these are done actually with the help of graphical processing out there. Talking about this variant, then we can say it offers you up to NVDIA technologies graphical. So this is a very different version out there. IDEVA's NV IDEVA could be seen out here, as well as you can say that this variant is offering a great range of graphical processing. Apart from graphics, we know that processing system, or that of the processor out there, CPU out there, plays a very important role in every gadget. And saying so, we can say that it has up to 8th generation Intel Core i7. Yes, it offers you Intel Core i7 up to 8th generation, so it can be easily modified, or you can customize your gadget accordingly. But definitely 8th generation is quite good out here. Talking about the display, we already know that it offers you 4K display out there, but apart from that, it also offers you full HD display. Like if you don't want an ultra HD display, you want just a full HD display, then it can be done. Uh, but there is a difference that you will not find 4K technology in it. Apart from that, the Ultra HD display has IPS technology. Yes, IPS technology could be seen out in Ultra HD display. Talking about the camera inbuilt in it, because the webcam inbuilt in it has got an HD capacity to capture pictures, videos in 720 pixelation. When we talk about this variant, then we had talked about a great storage. So the storage really needs very expandability, or we can say a great storage needs a good space amount, that is the capacity. It offers you up to 16 GB RAM, as well as up to 1 TB internal storage capacity. So the two different variants are quite good. 16 GB, up to 16 GB RAM and up to 1 TB storage capacity is really great. But what kind of type, or we can say what type of RAM is seen out here? You can see that it offers you DDR4 type RAM and SSD type internal storage. So these are the two storage which can be seen in this variant. Apart from that, you also get to see that it offers you a work timing which might be differing from 9 to 11 hours. Yes, depending upon the type of display you use. If you are using full HD display, then it might last up to 10 to 11 hours. But if you are using ultra HD display, then 9 to 10 hours is the work timing. So like, yes, work are depending upon the type of variant you are using, it might differ. JBL speakers, there are two JBL speakers actually, as well as audio vision is of Dolby Premium, and security is by fingerprint reading out there, which is optional. If you want, you can activate that. Apart from that, if you talk about the connectivities, then USB-C type connectivity, display port out there, audio input output jack. So these can be seen along with the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. So these are the very basic things which can be seen in this variant, but are quite important. Now talking about this variant, we can talk about the website which offers you great pricing for this. Talking about the website, this is the website. The website name is actually quite interesting. That is just at click.com. Yes, the website name is just at click.com, and you get to have amazing gadgets, your pocket friendly rates, as well as amazing function. You can say things are offered here like COD, free shipping out there. So this is quite good website out here. Talking about the website, the search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget in a very limited, we can say, format. Like you have to type, or specifically you can type, or you can type some coordinates about that. So this is Yoga 720 we were discussing actually. And we have seen that there are two different variants. One is 7th generation and Core i7, another one with 133 KB compatible out there. So this website actually offers you a function that could be customizability. Yes, this is a function, or we can say a feature on this website, that is customizability. In this, all you have to do is you can customize your gadget. Yes, you can customize your gadget accordingly, like what kind of RAM, processor you want, which can be done in this variant. Yes, you can customize it. So let us check this version only, and you can check any, but let us check this version. So talking about this result, we were searching Yoga 720. This is seventh generation. We said that it's up to eighth generation, so you can check it out. A small description at the bottom and at the top. Talking about the description box, there is a condition written refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition first. Talking about refurbished products, so we can say that refurbished products are actually nothing else, but they are quite similar to brand new. Or we can say that brand new products and refurbished products are actually same in the structurality, functionalities, tests is out there, everything is same. Whether you talk about the designs, they are actually same. Talk about the functionalities, that is also same. But the only difference lies out is that the refurbished products are actually pre-owned gadgets. Yes, we can say that the refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets, so you get to see that they offer you different functionalities. Now, talking about these pre-owned gadgets, does it make any difference in anything in the look function? No, it does not make any difference in the looks, functionalities, nothing. The only difference lies out is in the pricing out there, or the usage capacity, like it has been used before. So these kind of things. Now, talking about the refurbished products, let us talk about the passage, because we should know how does the refurbished products are pre-owned. So talking about the pre-ownization, there is a normal platform or normal chain which is followed out. That is the base, mediator, and consumer. For brand new, the base is nothing else but the company which is giving out the product. Mediator is the marketplace which offers you the gadget out in the marketplace. And the user is the consumer out here which consumes or takes the gadget. So this is all about the brand new concept. This is what happens in the brand new passage or the chain. कि कंपनी मार्केट में लेकर आती है प्रोडक्ट को फिर यूज करता है यूजर. So this is what happens in the brand new. Talking about the refurbished product, this is actually the extension of this version. Yes, this is the extension of brand new. What happens now is the user have that gadget and wants to resell this product. Is not using that product, wants to resell, is bored of that product. So what happens is that product is brought up in the market through the user. Now this user becomes the owner of that gadget and the base. Now it is going to resell it. Now to resell, you have to bring it into the marketplace, and then it is again resold to the another user. Yes, then it is resold to another user. Now there lies a small difference out here. Yes, there lies a very small difference. What happens is, in brand new product, company testers verifies it before launching into the market. But in refurbished product, when we resell it to a site or to a marketplace, then it is verified, tested, then it is brought up in the site to sell it. But this testing is done within the site itself. No external sites are involved. But in companies, after testing, it has to be checked with other websites also. There are few specifications, few testings out, websites which check the specifications too. So there is a difference in the checking parameters where it has to be checked. Now, otherwise the parameters are absolutely same, whether the testing parameters you compare, design you compare, functionality you compare. Talking about the design, the structures, we can say whatever the company states, the same design has to be seen in the refurbished product. Functions has to be same. It might be customized. Yes, they might customize it accordingly. How they might customize, like if there is a functionality given through the company that they can customize it accordingly, then they can easily customize the product. Talking about the products, we can say the testing parameters are absolutely same, whether it's external parameters or internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say that the external parameters includes the factors or the parameters which do not require any equipment. Like there are parameters which involve the display, the scratches, button intactness, button working, battery, jacks out there, connectors, camera, on off button, whether how long it is saying to start, how long it's saying to off. So these like externally which you do not require any external or the any other parameters or any other gadget to test them. The keys which are being in the place in keyboard have placed orderly like the way it should be placed, is it that way or not? The 12 functional keys are working or not, arrow keys are working or not, touchpad is working or not. If there is any scratch, what kind of scratch it is it repairable or it is non-repairable, what kind of scratch it is actually, first it has to be checked that way. Repair was if it can be repaired, then it has to be done. If it is non-repairable, then it has to be seen in another way. So it has to be checked every throughout. Once the external parameters are done, then it comes to the internal parameters. Now, what happens to the internal parameters? They need equipments. There are few equipments, or you can say there are specified gadgets which are required to test them, because internal processors, graphics, condensers, each and every part out there which has to be checked internally needs specified gadgets. Talking about the connectivities out there, talk about the visuals out there, the resolution, talk about the graphical part, processor, RAM quality, RAM type, storage, portability, drive out there, internal connectors out there, everything needs to be verified. Once each and every part, every section is verified, which and is supposed to be the same as it was mentioned by the company, then it is said that it is all good to use. It has a good quality, good service is being provided by this. Now it gives you a good functionality, and it is certified as refurbished. Now what happens to the structurality? It is absolutely same. If it has some mishappenings in it, if the product is not working properly, it has to be replaced with the original parts. Yes, if it is having a damaged part, then it has to be replaced, and once it is replaced, then it is brought back into the market. Otherwise it has to be discarded there itself. So what are the advantages of having refurbished product? Because these seems like absolutely same. So what is the major difference or the major advantages? Talking about the advantages of having refurbished product is number one, the pocket friendly rate offered out. Yes, you get to have pocketable rates. How it is like brand new products are actually expensive out here. You get to see that brand new products are actually expensive. They might offer you slightly high pricing, but refurbished products, they are generally less expensive, or you can say they are quite cheaper out here as compared to brand new. So they are offering you pocket friendly rates. Apart from that, you get to see that since there is a difference in pricing, you get to save a lot of money. Yes, you get to save a lot of money out here. There could be a great savings done with this, so that you can use it on other products too. Talking about the warranty period in brand new products, we get to see 1 year warranty period in brand new products, like 1 year warranty along with exchange policies out there. So refurbished products offers you 6 months warranty. Yes, 50% warranty period is given. That is the 6 months warranty period out here. Yeah, usually pre-owned gadgets don't offer you warranty period, but if you have a condition that is refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty period. Apart from that, you also get to have 7-day exchange policy. So this is really good that you get to have 7-day exchange policy along with it. Talking about these factors, let us talk about the site also, which offers you these specifications. We were talking at this site that is just at click.com. The site itself means you are just a click away, just at click. That is the website name. This site offers you mostly refurbished products, so they offer you the pocket free rates, savings. You can save a great savings out here, 6 months warranty, 7-day exchange policy. Along with those things, you get to have COD. Yes, you get to have the COD out here. Along with that, you also get to have hassle-free shopping, along with the free home delivery, money back guarantee, online support system. You can have all these specifications out here. So what does the shipping means? This shipping means that this offers you 48-hour shipping charge timing within most parts of UAE, whereas it might take up to a week in Saudi. But yes, this site offers you a option that is customizability option. So because of that, you can customize your gadget if you want to have some RAM variation in the storage capacity, processing out there, Windows out there, which can be customized. Yes, which can be customized option are available on this site. So depending upon the customization, it might take vary in the shipping timing. But yes, definitely, this is really amazing website for you all to check out the best pricing for your gadgets, best pocket friendly rates out here. So you can definitely check out the website. Description has the link, or you can go on Google and type justatclick.com. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.